Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first set of press-on nails. I'm excited for you to see this, so let's get started. The glue I'm using is the Kiss Powerflex Max Speed Nail Glue. That's a lot to say. I had to slow down while I was reading it so I don't get tongue-tied. But this nail glue I got from Walmart. It was I think about $5. And the nails, this is Kiss also. This is the Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Mani. They don't have like a name to this design. But yeah, it's a really pretty design, but it's the Kiss brand also. And these were about $7 or $8, I believe. So I sized up the nails and I lined them up in the order that I want to put them on. And how you find the right size is the number that's printed on the underside of the nail. The bigger the number, the smaller the nail is going to be. For my pinky, I went with a size 10, even though you could still see my real nail peeking through on the sides. I tried a size 9 also, but that turned out too big, and still you could see my real nail peeking through on the sides. So it's best to pick the nail that fits best in your cuticle, even though the sides of your nail is showing. And it was also the same case with my ring finger. So I got this nail drill also from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was because I've had it about 3 years now. It helps the nails to last longer when you buff out the shininess on the nail. So I'm just doing that real quick, and then I'm also going to do it on my natural nails, but of course very lightly. And it may not look like it because I got the video speeded up, but I'm just buffing my natural nails very lightly because yeah, I'm not a fan of damaged nails. I'm not. Oh, and I wanted to show you that the drill did come with different bits, but I didn't really like the edges on these square bits. It seemed like they were more aggressive, like the corners or the edges on the square bits were more aggressive, dig into the nails more. And so yeah, I would definitely not want to use that on my natural nails either, so I just used the pink bit. After using the drill, I just wiped away the nail dust with a Q-tip dipped in acetone. And now I'm applying the nails, just adding a drop of glue on the top and bottom of my natural nail, and then adding 1 drop of glue in the middle of the artificial nails. I also used the nail to push back my cuticles a little bit before laying the nail completely down or flat on my nail and then holding it in place for a couple seconds, like 30 seconds. The very tips on some of the nails were not even, So I'm just filing away that little ledge with the nail file or the mini file that came with the set. This next part, I'm not even really sure if I should show you because it did end up being kind of a waste of time. But I was trying to camouflage the corners of my nails that were showing. But yeah, it ended up being a waste of time once the nails started popping off. Because once the nails started popping off, I didn't really care about the corners showing anymore. I just wanted to glue the nail back on and that'd be it. So I technically didn't use any polish if you don't count trying to camouflage the corners of my nails, but you know, you just can't do your nails without adding a top coat. I'm top coating plastic right now, but you just can't do your nails without adding a top coat, okay? You can't. I did skip top coating my middle finger though, because sometimes I don't be sure if I should top coat over gemstones or rhinestones or not. So leave a comment down below and let me know, do you top coat over your rhinestones? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Let me know what you think of my first set of press-on nails, and I'll see you in the next video. You would ring as soon as I press record.